Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling Worksheets. Match the letter with correct picture. Daily practice worksheets. Let's start. Match the pairs. G for good. C for cat. I for ice cream. O for orange. E for elephant. S for sun. T for tiger. D for dog. A for apple. B for ball. U for umbrella. X for X-ray. K for kite. R for rose. J for juice. P for parrot. H for hat. V for van. Q for queen. F for fan. Well done, children. Excellent job. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.